साइकिल्स ऑफ उदयपुर।
भैया इतने परेशान हो गए कि मुझे 2 स्कार्फ 900 रुपए में दे रहे हैं। What's up, you guys? I hope you all are safe and fine. For people who are new here, this is Hinanshi Sangvi and welcome back to my channel. Da-da-da-da-da. So guys, today's video is about day 3 Udaipur vlog. पहला और दूसरा नहीं देखा हो तो जाके जल्दी से देखो. So I am gonna show you all the fun that we did and again all the expenses because we covered the whole trip in only 18,000. Also watch the video properly to see the new friend that we made in Udaipur and we irritated him so much that उसको end में सबको एक-एक gift देना पड़ा. And it was so much fun. Without wasting any much time, let's get started. 7:30 in the morning और हम लोग जा रहे हैं साइकिलिंग करने. ये देखो प्राची को ठंडी लग रही है. धुआं आ रहा है मेरे मुंह से. जा भाग प्राची भाग भाग भाग.
Hello, Didi.
Where did you buy the jacket from? I had to ask her this question क्योंकि उसने भी वही जैकेट पहना था जो मैंने पहना था यार. So there are a lot of different points at Udaipur where you can rent a cycle and we went to the Fateh Sagar Lake and the cycle that we rented is from the company My Bike.
स्टार्ट नहीं होगा अभी. स्टॉप नहीं करना तो.
Left leg. Oh, right now we are cycling. Yo, girls! Lol. Look at the view. It's amazing. क्या टट्टी है ना तू? So now again आज वापस लेट हो गए and we are going to the City Palace which is the best place in Udaipur. Are you all excited? Yes! What? So the actual price of the ticket for the City Palace Museum is 300 rupees but we had luckily carried our ID cards like student IDs and that's why we got the entry for just 100 rupees. So don't forget to carry your student ID when you're visiting any place. Not all museums are boring. Matlab City Palace is a museum which was actually a palace few years, like not few, like a lot of years back. It was actually a palace and it has been converted into a museum because they wanted to preserve the heritage and the history of India. You will get to know a lot about their lifestyle in the old days. This particular place is the marriage hall. सीधे सीधे जाके आने का क्या मतलब? So we were trying to sneak into the no entry zones to see what is there. And first one we couldn't sneak, so we went to the second no entry zone. So we went up and we got so scared. I mean, it was like a bhoot bangla jaise Bhool Bhulaiya movie mein. We got so scared that we literally took a U-turn and chupchap came down. I was not even able to shoot. I was that scared. These are some handmade sculptures which they make it like in front of us and you know they are at minimal price like starting from 30 rupees. So we took a few of them because why not? Because like they are working hard for it and hard work pays off, guys. We took that elephant, like a lot of them. So we all the girls have come to Saheli ki bari.
Although we are not Sahelis.
Yeah. Damn. Damn. Yeah, man, I would rather die than becoming a friend. Also, Saheliyon ki Bari is not just a garden but also historical sites and we were kind of bored and we were getting late. So we just took a walk inside and left. So we went back to the room and we decided to go to the Buddy Lake and as usual we were late. We wanted to see the sunset but we missed it badly. But we enjoyed the view which was fabulous and also not to forget एक दूसरे की company जो मज़ा आ गई. Time for shopping guys, we can't miss it यार. उसकी वजह से तो हमको लड़कियाँ बोलते हैं.
आज तो ये नहीं दे रही है ना.
हम लिटरली 1 घंटे से ये दुकान में सिर्फ डिसाइड करें क्या लेना. दिविशा डिसाइड करें
कौन सा हाथी
घोड़ा
लेना है.
गधा हाथी क्या लेना है वो डिसाइड कर रहे हैं।
देना मेंढक दे दो।
एक सेकंड। और भैया यहाँ पे परेशान हो गए।
सिंबल क्या होता है?
एक सेकंड भैया इतने परेशान हो गए कि वो मुझे 2 स्कार्फ 900 रुपए में दे रहे हैं।
परेशानी होने की वजह से
1400 का था 900 रुपए
900
में।
रुपए में।
तो एनर्जी दिखो।
नहीं मत बोल ब्लॉग है। हमने ये भैया को इतना परेशान कर लिया है, इतना परेशान कर लिया, पर इतनी कॉमेडी की है कि हमको अभी गिफ्ट मिल रहा है। गिफ्ट क्या दे रहे हो? दे रहे मैं बताती हूँ, टेंशन मतलब मैं बता रही हूँ। See what he is gifting me. Oh my god.
पास मारा है?
Yes.
ओके।
Yeah.
दिस इज फॉर पावर।
Okay.
आपको गुड लक। आपको
This
love
is for
चाहिए।
good luck. He is gifting us a few things.
This is for love
Camel is for love,
and this is for good luck.
and this is elephant is for good luck.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll. Roaming on the streets of Udaipur on Activa was like the best thing that I've done, and I miss it so much. We literally don't deserve to stay in a 5-star hotel because look at our room, it's such a mess. And we used to get so tired कि room अवेयर ना तो दूर की बात, हम लोग तो सीधा आके सो जाते थे. So day 3 travel charges came up to 840 rupees when divided by 4 is 210 per person. Then 100 rupees entry for City Palace Museum, 10 rupees entry for Saheliyo Ki Bari, 900 rupees per person for the stay at Vishnupriya with breakfast, 200 rupees dinner that we did, and 40 rupees for the cycling. So the total of day 3 comes up to 1450 rupees only. So that's it guys, I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment and stay tuned for day 4 video because that's going to be amazing, because that's the best property that we have stayed in Udaipur and I would love to stay my life there, but it's not possible because itna paisa nahi hai mere paas. But anyway, stay tuned and yeah, bye, take care.